Alright guys, so if you just bought the new DJI NEO drone camera, you know that this can't record vertically. So that's the mistake when I bought it, because I actually thought there was some type of an option to record vertically, but there is not. The only way to turn your video vertically is to edit it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it easily. All right, so the first thing you want to do after you record a video is open up your DJI Fly app. It's right here. I'm gonna open it up, and from here you want to go to new project. Okay, and then select the video that you want to turn to vertically. So I'm gonna get this one right here. All right, as you can see, it is not vertical. So at the top, you see the one that's square looking with the Chinese letters. You want to click on that, and then click 9:16. Okay, from here, you want to go ahead and highlight the reel. You can see it turn red, and then you just want to use your two fingers and drag it apart. As you can see right there, we now have a vertical video. Now again guys, it won't show all the one that you recorded, but I mean it's vertical. So again, I'm gonna play it. What it looks like. Okay, now if I put it back to the original, of course you'll have the full shot. You can see. Let me see if what we're done. Now, unless DJI makes some type of update where, because the camera on this thing right here, so it's, as you can see, the camera's right here. So if it's vertical, you'll have to turn it like this. So hopefully maybe they might. I'm not even sure if they'll ever do it, but where you can actually manually turn it to record vertically. But I don't think it's ever gonna happen. But that'd be a cool feature, right? If they actually did some type of update where you can record it vertically with the camera, so you get a wider looking, better shot vertically. So, but at the moment, this is the only way you can do it to turn your shot vertically. Again, you can use any app, but I'm using the built-in DJI Fly app. So this is the best way right now. You can see we'll have it vertically. Well, hopefully that helps out if you guys are been trying to figure that out. Anyways, I guess I'll see you guys later.